And tonight we're learning more about plans for fall classes in school districts across North Texas. Brooke has been working on this for us. She's in the Fort Worth studio tonight with what health experts say all parents need to consider as the kids think about summer and we as parents think about what's coming in the fall.
That's right, Doug. And both Fort Worth and Garland ISDs laid out their plans today, but many other districts are waiting for more guidance from the state.
We're going to get creative. Educators always are, and we're going to make sure that our kids are safe and healthy when they're at school.
Wiley ISD, one of several districts in wait-and-see mode. While they don't have firm plans for next year, they do have 3 proposals: an in-person model, a virtual model, and a hybrid model that combines both.
This is not one of those things we want to do to people, but with people.
Dallas ISD is among the districts looking for more information from the Texas Education Agency and the CDC. Others, like Fort Worth and Garland, have announced families can choose between in-person and virtual classes. We talked to 2 experts, Dallas County Health and Human Services Director Dr. Philip Wong and epidemiologist Dr. Diana Cervantes.
I think we're waiting, and a lot of the school districts are waiting, to see how things progress. I mean, today we had our highest numbers of cases ever reported.
Both doctors say families have a lot to consider when deciding if kids should go back in the classroom.
How transparent is the district being about what they're doing? How much are they involving parents to get input?
Other questions to ask yourself: are your kids at higher risk? What about the family members they have contact with?
I think in general that that is more of an option for people who are generally healthy and the members of their household are generally healthy.
And Dr. Wong says everyone needs to keep in mind this is still a very fluid situation.
We're still learning more about the virus, every day also, and still trying to determine how important is spread among children in that community spread.
Both doctors say you should know your school's plans to keep kids safe, know what they'll do if there's a positive case, and parents continue to reinforce the importance of social distancing, good hand washing, and wearing a face covering. If you'd like more information on the other districts in North Texas, you can head to our website, cbsdfw.com. Doug?
Brooke, thank you so much. And Brooke also mentioned Dallas ISD is still formulating a plan, but we do already know what it will look like for any students who do end up in the classroom in the district. They will see changes. That includes mandated temperature checks, one-way traffic in hallways, plexiglass dividers. Also, we're told face shields for classroom use as well.